This is Premier Water and Sewer. This is the lateral inspection video post-repair at 16826 Court. We pushed out as far as we can from the stack located inside. Pull back from here. We're in 6-inch PVC currently. We're out about 120 feet. Camera will not let us push any further now. Right there goes from schedule 35 PVC to schedule 40, still in 6-inch. Right there's the start of our repair outside the house in the 6-inch PVC. Cover up the joint that had roots in it. We'll pull through the transition right there. There goes the 4-inch PVC right there. Right here where the wider pipe is, that is our repair on the inside, fixing the joint that had roots growing in through it as well. So there's the end of our repair. Pulling up the stack now. There's our stack, and that'll conclude the video.